Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm finally back with a styling video, and I think it's been too long since we've done one. Now don't get me wrong, I've done two fashion videos. One was this showing you some work from home ka outfits because I think it's very relatable is time ke liye. And then I took this fun fashion challenge where I let my scrunchies decide my outfits. Both of them will be linked in the description bar. जब से lockdown start हुआ, I did not do like a typical styling video where I'm taking a single piece of clothing or I'm showing you some looks as a normal life के लिए, because I thought that if I did a video like that, maybe it will come out as me belittling the situation or taking it too lightly, or I am being too privileged and being in my own la la land. I don't know, I just thought that maybe if I do something like this, so you might not take it well, but I don't know. I think you all are so supportive and I am sure you will not misunderstand me. I think I was in this weird mindset because of the constant content that we are consuming and the pressure that surrounds us. और मुझे भी लगा कि I need to do something different, something more relatable, जो इसी time के लिए perfect हो, something from inside the house and no fashion videos. But I think I'm back with one because it's time to do one now. In this video, I'll be styling this pair of denim in 8 ways at least. Now let's see मैं कितना outfits create कर पाती हूँ, but I'll do at least 8 outfits and I hope you like this video. मुझे अपने outfits में थोड़ा सा कुछ different भी चाहिए होता है, but then I like them to be a little practical too. That's just how my style is. If that floats your boat, this video is perfect for you. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram right here because I've started this fashion styling series there. Now, yeah, that's it. Now, we're not wasting more of your time. Let's just get started. Hi guys, so the first two outfits are made with t-shirts. Now I think if we can't think of any outfit, t-shirt plus jeans is the first thing that we reach out for, and hence I've made outfit using two t-shirts. Now for the first one, I'm wearing this t-shirt. I've knotted it at the front and then I've put a bum bag over it. Now bum bag, I think, or waist bag can make any simple drab outfit also look so good and can completely change the outfit of the vibe of your outfit. I completed the look with these animal print flats. Again, animal print, so statement. तो सिंपल से टी शर्ट जीन्स के आउटफिट को भी इतना बढ़िया बना देता है. Now we move on to the second outfit. Now if I have any loose baggy t-shirt लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा सा cute और put together भी लगना है, तो what I like to do is मैं उसको लेती हूँ and I just tuck the bottom part inside my bra, bralette, like whatever I'm wearing. This one has this choker detailing, and I think if you've seen my video, अभी तक आपको चला होगा, I am a sucker for choker detailing. I completed the look with these sunglasses, and for my accessories I am wearing this belt जिसमें silver buckle है and these sliders that I got from Myntra. तो पूरा sparkle है, तो look काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, and I think I really like how this look turned out. Now for the third one of my biggest styling tricks is to layer a spaghetti top or one top over another. I think बहुत ज़्यादा elements मिल जाता है आपके look को और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So here I've taken this spaghetti top और उसमें अपनी white fitted t-shirt के ऊपर पहनना है. Then I wore these dad shoes that I own. Now the entire look is very monotonous. काफ़ी black white ही चल रहा था, तो मैंने एक pop of color add करा through my hoops. Yeah, my earrings, मैंने ये neon hoops पहने, and I think I really like how this outfit turned out. Now for the fourth one, this is one of my favorite look. I mean, look, it is so beautiful. I mean, I think I've used minimal pieces and this turned out so good. If you have any fancy event somewhere you have to go to a special day, then you can wear an outfit like this, or even if you want to just dress up for yourself. So I've taken this top. ऐसे ये square neck के tops बहुत ज़्यादा trend में है. Again, another tip for you, tie dye is in rage right now, तो tie dye के pieces भी बहुत trend में रहेंगे. I've completed the look with these fake pearl earrings जो कि किसी भी look को बहुत अच्छा बना देती हैं, and these white heels. These are my latest favorites. Believe me, ये इतने अच्छे लगते हैं, and they can again convert any look to awesome. Now for the next two outfits, I've chosen a shirt. Here I've taken this yellow shirt. Again, ये थोड़ा सा oversized है. And what I like to do is I like to tie my loose shirts at the front. काफ़ी अच्छा look आ जाता है. थोड़ा सा आपका skill show होता है तो आपका एक break सा मिल जाता है. And I completed the look with these dainty pieces. थोड़ा सा gold accents यहाँ वहाँ डाले मैंने. I think it looks so good. And then for my footwear, I'm wearing these transparent heels because I think a lot is going on at the top, and I just want to balance it out. So we go with the flow. Just love me harder. Have no mercy on me. Just the sixth look, I am wearing a white shirt. Again, white shirt plus blue denim is an iconic combination. कोई भी स्टाइल का शर्ट हो, कोई भी स्टाइल का डेनिम हो, does not matter. Together they can just make you look so good. So here I'm for my footwear, I've taken the white footwear again, but you can add a pop of color through your footwear. आप कुछ yellow mules या ऐसा कुछ पहन सकते हो. And then I've added a few jewelry pieces and completed my look. For the seventh outfit, I am wearing a denim jacket, and उसके अंदर मैंने एक basic सा sleeveless top डाला हुआ. You can wear any color का top. Now you can see to break the monotony of denim on denim, मैंने एक poppy shade डाला है, like a red color का top, and it looks so good. Now I have made an entire video on denim, so you can check it out. And we've come to the last outfit. I think this is my second most favorite outfit from the entire video. This is such a cool athleisure look, and this completely is up my alley. I really love looks like this. This is so chic and sporty and so street style, and I really love it. I've just taken a jacket, उसके अंदर एक basic सा top डाला है, a couple of neck pieces, and these sparkly sliders that I got from Myntra recently. You can check it out in my shoe haul. So thank you for watching this video. I really love doing a styling video after so long, और मुझे इसको बनाने में, इसको edit करने में बहुत अच्छा लगा. Please tell me in the comments how did you like it, and now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.